Hi everyone. So, as some of you may be aware, I had changed the shock absorber assemblies for the front and rear. I documented and uploaded two separate videos showing how to replace them. It is very simple. However, the top part of the front struts were exposed like this, and I had put some general purpose grease to avoid rusting. Thanks to my good friend Ajay, who suggested that these OE rubber caps from the Swift and many other Maruti cars fit the Zen's struts perfectly. They cost rupees 40 in Bootmo and can be simply inserted on the exposed thread of the strut assembly like this, and it fits nicely. There's no internal threading on the cap or anything, as you can see. Just push it on top of the strut, and that's it. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful.